Livpure stands as a groundbreaking product globally, uniquely featuring a proprietary liver purification and fat-burning complex. This innovative formula swiftly detoxifies the liver, fosters fat burning, and enhances overall liver well-being. Livpure aids in weight loss by addressing the root cause often linked to compromised liver function. The liver's pivotal role in detoxification and fat metabolism underscores Livpure's targeted approach. By promoting liver detoxification and regeneration, it amplifies the body's capacity to expel toxins and diminish inflammation, pivotal for weight management. Crafted from a blend of natural ingredients like milk thistle and dandelion root, Livpure ensures safety and efficacy, devoid of harmful additives or chemicals. Extensive clinical studies validate its effectiveness in achieving weight loss goals while bolstering overall health. Livpure offers a natural and sustainable avenue for weight loss by optimizing liver function, the cornerstone of metabolic regulation. By purifying the liver and facilitating fat burning, it harmonizes weight management and vitality. With its array of ingredients, including silymarin, betaine, and resveratrol, Livpure not only aids weight loss but also augments energy levels and well-being. Backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, Livpure embodies a trustworthy solution for individuals seeking to shed excess weight, enhance liver health, and embrace vitality.